Hello, cake lovers. Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shahzadi. Today, we are bringing you 12 dreamy pastel rainbow cake ideas, perfect for birthdays and baby showers and magical parties. Let's dive into sweet world of color. The first one is classic pastel rainbow layer cake. Soft sponge layer in pastel pink, peach, mint, lavender, and baby blue. Staked with white whipped cream. So soft and pretty. The next is Pastel Rainbow Unicorn Cake with pastel buttercream swirl as the unicorn hair, bold horn, and sweet little lashes. This is every girl's birthday dream. The next is Floral Pastel Rainbow Cake. Rainbow pastel layer inside and delight pipe flowers on top. Add pearls or tiny butterflies for a fairy tale touch. The next is cotton candy basil cake, a fluffy cake that looks like a cotton candy, light blue and pink swirl on the outside and basil layer inside. Add candy on top. The next is bento basil still rainbow cake, mini heart or round cake in box, frosted with pastel rainbow and cute message like happy girl or princess vibes. The next is ombre pastel rainbow cake. Each layer fades gently from pink to blue to lavender. Outside, use a soft ombre effect with matching pastel frosting. The next is Princess Crown Cake. Pastel rainbow inside topped with a fondant crown and edible glitter. Every slice feels royal. The next is Rainbow and Clouds Cake. Use rainbow piping over a white cake with tiny cloud puffs and stars. So dreamy, just like the sky. The next is Cupcake Top Pastel Topper. Mini cupcakes with pastel swirl frosting in rainbow order pink, yellow, mint, lavender, staked like a tower of magic. The next is Butterfly Garden Rainbow Cake. Soft pastel layers and edible butterflies fluttering out on the outside. Add fondant flowers for an attached garden feel. The next is Sprinkle and Sparkle Rainbow Cake. Top your pastel rainbow cake with sugar, sprinkles, edible glitter, and silver star for extra sparkle. The next is personalized name cake. A pastel rainbow base with birthday girl's name written in elegant piping. Add a number topper for age. Looks elegant and beautiful. Those were our 12 pastel rainbow cakes for girls, each one soft, sweet, and full of magic. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and share your loved ones. And subscribe to Cakes Factory and tap the bell icon to see more dreamy cake ideas. only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Always be happy with your loved ones. Goodbye.